In this video, I will show you how to change my TPMS sensor. First, I lift up the car. Then I remove the tire. Move the tire to a flat place. Remove the valve cap. And then use a valve cowl remover to remove the valve cowl. You should be careful, hold it fast and do not let it shoot out. Carefully take out the valve cowl. I bought this tire bead breaker from Amazon. First, I will use tire spoons to make a small gap and put the tire bead breaker there, and then fasten this screw and make it tight. Then I use a wrench to drive this screw to push down the center part of this tire bead breaker. In this gap, you can see the tire pressure sensor. Then I remove the tire bead breaker. And this part is very important and you should pay attention. You should hold the tire pressure sensor, do not let it drop. And you can use WD-40 to make it smoother and press down the tire and take it out. Don't let it drop into the tire, otherwise it will be difficult to take out. Here is a new one. You need to take a photo of these numbers and then install it onto the rim. Pay attention again, don't let it drop into the tire, otherwise it will take a lot of time to take it out. At last, I use a wrench to fasten the screw. I just make it hand tight. Then I connect it to the portable tire inflator. I put something under the tire and stand up on the rim and make the gap closer. After pumping up the tires, I install it on my car again. Torque it to 80 foot-pounds. Now you need to pair the TPMS sensor. I make an installation appointment in Walmart, but when I arrive there, I say only pair the TPMS sensor. It cost me only $3 for pairing the TPMS sensor.